Welcome to Cafe de Lona's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Cajun sausage skillet. And these are all the ingredients that I prepared here. First, we have a anchovy slices here. And then we also have gonna need yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/3 of a cup of chicken broth, and we also gonna need 2 pieces of bay leaves, and we also have red, orange, and green peppers. We also have diced Roma tomatoes without the seeds, and then a tablespoon of red pepper flakes, a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of thyme, a tablespoon of paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's start it. Alright, so let's just turn on the stove to high heat, and then I am going to use a cast iron pan. Let's just put our olive oil. So I'm gonna put our sausage now. Saute them until they get brown. Let's just keep stirring them until they get light brown, and then we're going to proceed to the next process. Now they're turning light brown, we are going to add our onion, our tomatoes, this is something that already smells good. Okay, now we're gonna add our bay leaves, our bell peppers, then we're gonna start putting our dry ingredients, the red pepper flakes, oregano, thyme, and lastly our paprika. And then mix it all over until all combined. It smells so yummy. So now I am going to add our 1/3 of a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to turn down our stove to medium heat. Okay, and then so I have here some slices of jalapeno. This is very optional. You guys can just skip it if you don't want something kind of spicy. So there you go. And then we're gonna add some black pepper, some salt, so now I am going to try it if it's enough, like salt and pepper. Yummy. Spicy. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. So now that our Cajun sausage skillet is ready, I am going to turn off our stove now and transfer it into a serving plate. So here is my Cajun sausage skillet. This is easy to make. Okay? I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye!